Hello friends, my name is MS Sani. The name of my company is Montreal Medicals and it is from Delhi. I'm a mechanical engineer and doing the business in orthopedic trauma products past 30 years. In the 30 years I have seen that there's a lot of problem while removing the plate from the bone, because some of the screws, the head of which becomes round, does not come out. So here we have fixed a plate and here is a screwdriver. So if I try to open this screw, it focus करना है, I can take it out because the head is perfectly alright. Similarly, if I try to take out this screw, it is also coming out. Now there is a one screw, this one, the head of which becomes round. It is not coming out. This is the biggest problem which all the surgeons are facing while removing the plate. If the head of the screw becomes round, many things have come up, but still there is a problem. Even we have a reverse tap also, and sometimes it does not work. When we try to fix it here and try to rotate it anti-clockwise by forcing it, still the screw doesn't come out. We have devised a novel device with which you are 100% sure that you can able to remove this screw, which is round with the head, and it's a round in head, and when this screw will be out, last screw, the plate will come out. So what is that device? This device is a cutter. This is a cutter which can cut the plate. If we take some other devices like hacksaw to cut the plate, it is not possible. If we try to rotate a blade of very high speed to cut the plate, still it is very dangerous. But this device is very handy, and there is no threat while using this device that I will show you. On the lower end of it, there are 4 blades has been attached, which are very strong, which are very hard. So these blades will cut the plate, and we will able to remove the screw, or even sometimes we will able to cut the plate into 2 halves also. This device uses a pin which can be inserted from here, and this is the screw which we want to take it out. When we use this device, this pin should always go in the head of the screw. The more this cutter will go inside and cut the plate, the screw will go inside this cutter, and a time will come when the plate will be cut. Now, how to use this cutter? First we have to take a drill with and this is Eosynthesis attachment, and each and every hospital has this drill, and just by putting the pin inside it, we will fix it here, and we will check it whether it is properly fitted or not. We will check that whether this cutter is perfectly working or not. After that, what will we do? Because the cutter is very hard in nature, so while cutting the plate, we have to use some water, or you can say a saline water. So we have taken a syringe and we have used we will use this saline to cut the plate. Now, because it is a open surgery, so here will be a lot of blood, etc. So we will put some gauzes on both sides of the plate like this. Now we will use the incised drape which we generally use in all the surgeries, and we will peel it from here. सुशील है ना, यहाँ पे आ रहा है, इस पेपर को खोलो, इसको ले लो, कौन सा उल्टा करो, इसको उल्टा करो। Now we have fixed this incised drape on the bandages and on the plate also. Now we have to, this is the screw which we want to remove. What will we do? We'll just take a small piece of the incised drape out. Do it slowly. Now anybody can see the screw. So, and the incised drape is stick to all the parts. Why we have done it? Because when we will try to run the drill, we have to use some water on it. Okay, and whatever the water will be there, it will be on this incised drape, and you can use any suction device, and the chips which will be cut from the plate, these will also be sucked by the suction device which are using in the operation theatre. Now I'll start the drill and I'll show how it is working. This pin will go in the center, and now I'll start the drill. And slowly you have to थोड़ा पानी डालना है, धीरे-धीरे यहाँ पे because while cutting it you have to use the water. You will see that this cutter has started cutting the plate, and you can see many chips around it. Now you can pour some water and suck it with the help of the suction device which you use in the OT. Now I will cut more, and you will also see that this plate had started cutting. But still it is not good enough that I can hold the screw. It It is not possible with the help of plier. So I will cut more of the plate. थोड़ा पानी डालो। We'll check once again. So now we will see that more of the chips has come out and more part of the plate has been see it has cut the plate, but still we are unable to hold the screw. A little bit we can hold, but still not properly. Now we will again cut more part of the plate. थोड़ा पानी और डालो। Always see the rotation of the cutter should be clockwise, not the anti-clockwise. Again you have to remove it, and we'll check again that more part of the plate has been removed, and it is almost half of the plate has gone. It was approximately 5.5 millimeter, and approximately 3 millimeter plate has already gone. And we'll see whether this is working or not. I think still not properly held by the plier, and we will cut some more part of the plate. पानी डाल दो। Always use the water when you cut the plate. A very thin part of the plate has been left, and you must use the device with the pin, so that the pin will keep the cutter in the center. Otherwise the cutter can move this way or this way or that way or that way. So you must use a pin. पानी डाल। You can see almost major part of the plate is gone, and Now our screwdriver is good enough that you can hold the screw with it. You can still hold it, but if sometimes you feel that the screw is stuck up in a very bad manner, that you are not able to rotate the screw, then we will cut the plate into two halves. By more rotating and rotating and rotating, a time will come when this cutter will cut the plate into two halves. Water. पानी और डालना. I am cleaning the area so that I can see how much more cut is to be taken. See, you will see, because of this drape, all the chips are not going on the wounded area. It is on the drape itself, so that it is safe for the patient and for the surgeon also to suck it with the when it is with the saline. Put the saline, suck it. Put the saline, suck it, like that. A little bit of the plate is left. Pani. If the drill is stuck up, just take it out, clean the area and use it again. The more deeper we'll go, the more, because we are not aligned properly with the hand, so it sometimes it stops also. No problem. Just again we have to clean it, and you can see that one part from one side it is finished, steel is finished, and only one side of the steel is left. It will hardly take 1 or 2 minutes more and the whole of the plate will be out. Still we are not able to hold plier properly, so we will cut more of the plate. Now because we wanted to remove only this screw, and we'll try to take out all the other screws so that we can see that plate is now free. Because there was only one screw that was giving problem, now we can remove the other screws. See, almost not even single piece of chip is here, because all the chips are on this drape. There's one more screw left here. Now you will see this is how it cuts a plate, and plate is out. Now your only screw is left here, and either you can leave the screw as it is, or you can use this your plier in any direction. See, because we have enough area now, and we can this was a screw which was giving problem, which was not coming out, and see, it is completely rotating, means head is completely round. See, this is the plate which has been cut with the help of this cutter. So this same cutter can be used on titanium plates and titanium screws also. I hope you will repeat the same procedure when you are held up in your surgery to remove a screw which the head of which is round. Thank you very much. MS Sani, Montreal Medicals, Delhi.